Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday and it's time for our P period. Wait, today is not Saturday, today is Sunday. आप सोच रहे हो ना मैम कहाँ से आ गई आज योगा सिखाने के लिए संडे को? यस, लेकिन आज इंटरनेशनल योगा डे है. सो इंटरनेशनल योगा डे जो कि 2015 से 21 जून 2015 से स्टार्ट हुआ है एंड तब से हम ये डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, इंटरनेशनल योगा डे. इट वॉज प्रपोज्ड बाय आवर करंट प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र जी मोदी. ओके, सो ही हैज़ told this in the United Nations Assembly that 21st June will be celebrated as International Yoga Day. Yes, International Yoga Day. आप लोगों को पता ही है कि योगा इंडिया में ओरिजिनेट हुआ है एंड उसे ग्लोबली ले जाने के लिए नरेंद्र जी मोदी ने बहुत सारे एफर्ट्स लिए हैं और उस चीज़ को ध्यान में रखते हुए उन्होंने 21 जून को इंटरनेशनल योगा डे ये सेलिब्रेट करना स्टार्ट किया है. एंड वन मोर थिंग, टुडे इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट डे ऑफ द ईयर, 21 जून. येस, इट इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट डे ऑफ द ईयर. येस, सो योगा डे है एंड हमारा योगा सेशन होता है. सो क्यों ना मैंने सोचा कि आज एक एक्टिविटी की जाए, बट ये एक्टिविटी मैं नहीं करने वाली हूँ, ये एक्टिविटी आप लोगों को करनी है. यस, आप लोगों को क्या करना है, तो आपको कोई भी एक आसन जो अब तक हमने सीखे हैं हमारे योगा सेशंस में, या आपको जो आसन आता है, आपने जो स्कूल में सीखा है, वो एक आसन आपको करना है. उसका एक वीडियो बनाना है और आपको आपके एग्जिस्टिंग जो भी नए ग्रुप्स बने हैं आपके क्लास के, बने हैं ना सबके? यस, नहीं बने हैं तो 1-2 दिन में बन जाएंगे, डोंट वरी. आपके जो ग्रुप्स है उस ग्रुप में आपको ये आपका वीडियो डालना है. वहाँ से मैं चेक कर लूँगी किसने ये एक्टिविटी की है और किसने नहीं. ओके, सो डोंट वरी, आपके ग्रुप्स बन जाएंगे. अगर नहीं बने हैं तो 2 से 3 दिन में आपके सारे ग्रुप्स बन जाएंगे. सो आपको ये वीडियो शूट करना है और उस ग्रुप में डालना है. आपको वेडनेसडे थर्सडे तक ये एक्टिविटी करनी है ताकि हम नेक्स्ट सैटरडे नेक्स्ट आसन्स के लिए रेडी हो जाए. ओके, यस. सो योगा डे है, आपके पेरेंट्स को भी बोलो योगा करने के लिए, आप लोग भी योगा करो और enjoy your International Yoga Day. Bye bye. Good morning, everyone. Did you see the calendar? Yes, today is Saturday and it's time for our PE period. Yes. So are you all ready? Are you all excited? Yes. So the today's asanas are Marjarasan and Ushtrasan. Okay. But before learning new asanas, let's do some revision. Okay, we do revision in class, no? Yes. So we will do same like we do in the class. We will do revision of our previous yoga sessions. Okay. So do you remember what we did in the first session of yoga? Remember? Correct. We did pranayam. Yes. So what we learned in the first session of yoga? We learned the breathing techniques of pranayam. Second, we did omkar, that is we said om, and third was brahmari. Okay, so today what we'll do three times we'll say om and we will do brahmari. Okay, breathing techniques so you all know, correct? Yes. So let's start with om. Fold your legs. Perfect. Do like this and put your hands on your knees. Yes. Now you know now what to do. You have to breathe in and you have to breathe out. You have to breathe in first. Okay, and then breathe out. Correct. So we'll start. 3 times we will do. Okay. Yes. Close your eyes, everyone. Great. Shall we start? Yes. First. Second. Om. Third. Very nice. Now we have to do Bhramari. Okay. For Bhramari, what you have to do? You have to put these fingers in your ears. Okay. Yes. Let's put these fingers in our ears. Close your eyes. Yes. This also 3 times. Okay. Yes. And you know what we have to do. You know, no? Remember, na? Yes. So let's start. Breathe in. Second. Third. Now slowly rub your hands. Put it on your face and slowly open your eyes and bring your hands back. Great. Feeling good? Yes. Now in second session what we did? We did Tadasana and Vrikshasana. You know, no? What is Vrikshasana and Tadasana? Remember, no? Yes. So we will do first Tadasana. For that we have to stand. So let's stand. Yes. Okay. Now what we have to do? Yes, we have to raise our hands. Okay. Raise your hands. Slowly. 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 Yes. Now you have to bring them up. And you have to raise your foot and you have to put whole body balance on your toes. Stretch. Perfect. Now slowly bring your hands back to the ground. Perfect. Easy? Yes. Now next was Vrikshasana. So let's do Vrikshasana. For that what we have to do? We have to bring this leg and we have to put it here. Okay? Yes. And you have to slowly raise your hands. Yes, and you have to join your hands and stretch your hands and concentrate on one point. Focus. Focus. Perfect. Now slowly bring your hands back to the ground. Yes. Put your leg back on the ground. Perfect. Now we'll do with the another leg. Put your leg on your thighs. Raise both your hands. Join your hands. Stretch your hands and concentrate. Perfect. Now slowly bring your hands down and your leg down. Perfect. Now you know what we did in our third session. You remember? Yes. What we did? We did rotations of our head and of our shoulder, of our wrist and knees and foot also. Right? So we will revise that also. So let's start with the neck. Okay? We'll do it three times. Okay? Yes. Put your hands on your waist. Perfect. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Now next is shoulder rotation. Put Put your hands like this. Yes, perfect. Now let's start. 1, 2, 3. Now in opposite direction. 1, 2 and 3. Great. Now wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now reverse. 1, 2 and 3. Perfect. Now we have to de-stress our fingers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood? Yes. Now foot rotation. Put your hands on your waist. Raise your leg and start. 1, 2, 3. Now reverse. 1, 2 and 3. Now with another leg. 1, 2, 3 with reverse. 1, 2 and 3. Perfect. Now knee rotation. For that you have to stand like this and you have to do it 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Perfect. Now this was a revision. Okay. अब तक जो हमने किया ये हम सब पिछले सेशंस में कर चुके थे. ये हमारा रिविजन था. आज हम जो नए 2 आसन सीखने वाले हैं वो मैं पहले ही बता चुकी हूँ. दैट इज उष्ट्रासन एंड यस करेक्ट उष्ट्रासन एंड मार्जरासन. ओके. फर्स्ट वी विल डू मार्जरासन. Marjarasan's another name is cat pose. Okay. Have you all seen a cat? Yes. You all have seen a cat. Yes. Okay. So for that what we have to do? We have to sit. So for that you have to sit. Okay. So we'll do first Marjarasan. Okay. You sat like this. Yes. I'll sit in this position so that you can see my position. Okay. Perfect. Now you have to sit like this. Okay. And now what you have to do? You have to put your hands like this and you have to stand like this. Okay. And what you have to do with your neck? You have to look up and you have to look down. Okay. See, like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Last. 1 and 2. Okay. Understood? Yes. Perfect. Okay. Now next asan is Ushtrasan. So for that what you have to do? You have to sit on your foot. See, can you see my foot? Yes. You have to sit like this. Okay. And then you have to stand on your knees. Okay. And then you have to slowly take your hands back. 1 and 2. And your neck straight. Bend it properly. Yes. Perfect. Now slowly bring your hands back. Easy. Okay. You have to keep one thing in your mind. Whenever you are doing this asans, you have to leave this asan slowly. You don't have to do it fast. Okay. So that was our session of today, and I hope you have understood this both the asans. Okay. You have to do this asans till next Saturday. Okay. Till then, bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.